Hi, we're Dr. Andrea and Dr. Chad Shaw of Shaw Chiropractic in Jacksonville, Florida. Today, we're going to talk about the secrets of chiropractic.
So, as a chiropractor, we know that the spine connects to every cell and every gland and every organ and tissue of the body. And what that means is there are symptoms and conditions associated with each vertebrae. So we thought it'd be interesting today to explore this concept and demonstrate how this actually works, which are the secrets of chiropractic.
For example, headaches are a very common problem. 1 in 4 households, 1 in 5 women suffer with headaches, and even 1 in 11 children are suffering with headaches. And this is a very common problem in our office, and many times it isn't even the chief complaint. It's a side note that, hey, by the way, we're suffering with headaches.
So how do we address this in our office? Well, the first thing we do is when patients are complaining of headaches, as a chiropractor, the thing I think of is, okay, which vertebrae is this coming from? And I go to my subluxation effects nerve chart, which is right here behind us. And we know this by heart, but we always show patients that C1 has certain symptoms associated with it. Headaches and migraines are the first 2 things on the list, but also things like nervousness and anxiety and insomnia, brain fog are all categorized in that C1 vertebrae. So that's the first thing that we look at. The second thing we look at are scans, and we're going to show you some actual scans of patients that suffer with headaches, and you'll clearly see where most of the spine is normal, but that C1 has some deep stress and it's affecting the way it's functioning.
And then the third test that we're going to do is we're going to take a look at x-rays. So on the x-ray, we can actually visually see if the C1 vertebrae is subluxated. And if it's subluxated, then they're in the right place.
And so when we get all these tests and symptoms associated and put together, then we do our chiropractic adjustment to realign that C1 vertebrae, and we're going to show you those today too. So these are the scans that we do, and everything that's in white is normal, everything that's in color is bad. And you can see on both of these with this patient that has headaches, the C1 vertebrae has a big red bar on it. Okay? And then when we look over here at the x-rays, this is the C1 vertebrae on an x-ray, and what we're looking at on this view is that space should be equal to that space, and you can clearly see that vertebrae is tilted backwards, creating a misalignment.
So here's a C1 adjustment.
And now we're going to do a toggle adjustment on C1.
If you like this video and want to see more, give us a thumbs up and a like and subscribe.